So as you can see guys, the new GoPro Hero 9 has Hypersmooth 3.0, the 20 megapixel camera, 5K at 30 fps plus 4K at 60 fps, is 33 feet, 10 meter waterproof, 1080p live streaming. So you can also live stream from GoPro Hero 9. So talking about other features, we can see here also voice control, 8x Slo-Mo, data overlays, TimeWarp, 1080p live streaming as previously mentioned it, SuperPhoto plus SDR, RAW, Webcam mode, touch screen, and that's all. So let's open it. So guys, here as you can see, the battery. You can get this helmet mount, GoPro, so you can also use the user instructions here. This is the warranty. Maybe this is the international warranty, but it doesn't apply in Nepal. So you have 1 year warranty in GoPro. Whatever happens to your GoPro in 1 year, the company will replace the product. If you have any questions or queries about the GoPro, then you can learn from this book which you get from the GoPro. So there's everything you need to know about the GoPro. So guys, it has both front and back display. The size is a little bit bigger than GoPro Hero 8. So let me keep the battery inside, then I'll show you. So guys, you can keep the battery from here. Just pull it. If I have to highlight about the new GoPro Hero 9, then you can shoot till 5K in GoPro Hero 9, 5K at 30 fps. Thank you so much guys. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, Rider Official.